Hi, I'm Garrett.
And I'm Abraham, and we are interns here at ROHM, and we're excited to show you what we've been working on this summer. One of our biggest projects was building an RGB wall from the ground up. That meant designing schematics, laying out the PCB, writing the firmware, and even 3D printing custom housings.
We also handled power design, wire harnessing, and created documentation so future users can easily build or modify the system.
We also wrote Arduino code that's now being used by ROHM customers and provided live support to help them integrate it into our own projects.
It was a great way to see how our work directly impacts real-world applications.
We dove deep into switch mode power supplies, learning how they operate and how different control methods affect performance.
We also joined customer meetings and sales calls, which gave us insight into the automotive industry and how ROHM fits into the global supply chain.
This internship gave us hands-on experience in engineering, customer support, and industry strategy.
And we're incredibly grateful to the ROHM team for the opportunities and mentorship. Thanks for watching.